Get acquainted with the 2017 Lincoln MKC. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Performance, luxury, versatility. That's what this sleek MKC delivers. From its connected tech to its premium amenities to its alluring style, this compact SUV is poised to infuse every drive with inspiration. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, keyless start, satellite radio, power liftgate, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection. Don't miss the chance to drive an SUV that's both capable and luxuriously comfortable. This MKC brings you that and more. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.